Hmm. Is hiccups simple thing of life? Let's find out. Hiccups occur as a result of a forced sudden contraction of diaphragm, a muscle that controls breathing. The vocal cords associated with this contraction close rapidly, producing the familiar hiccup sound. Hiccups can usually occur for the following reasons: eat or drink fast, fizzy drinks, fatty drinks, cold drinks, emotional stress or excitement, frequent breathing or laughing. In most cases, hiccups last from a few minutes to few hours and go away on their own. However, hiccups can last for months or even years, and you may need surgery to treat them. Even the simple things in our life are important.